Post. It means content shared online. For example, did you post the video today? Yes, I shared it in the morning. Feed. It means stream of post. For example, does your feed refresh automatically? Yes, new posts appear often. Story. It means short content that disappears. For example, did you upload a story today? Yes, I shared a quick update. Comment. It means written response on a post. For example, did you reply to comments? Yes, I answered them all. Community. It means group of followers. For example, is your community supportive? Yes, they interact positively. Shadow ban. It means reduced visibility without notice. For example, are you worried about shadow ban? No, I follow guidelines. Engagement rate. It means interaction percentage. For example, is your engagement rate good? Yes, it's improving. Promotion. It means paid or free marketing. For example, are you doing promotion? No, I'm focusing on organic growth. Creator. It means a person who makes content. For example, do you enjoy being a creator? Yes, it's rewarding. Content. It means post, videos, or images. For example, is your content consistent? Yes, I post regularly. Collaboration. It means working together with creators. For example, are collaborations useful? Yes, they increase reach. Poll. It means question with options. For example, did you run a poll? Yes, people voted actively. Live. It means real time video. For example, are you going live today? Yes, in the evening. Bio. It means short profile description. For example, is your bio clear now? Yes, it explains my content. Analytics. It means detailed performance data. For example, Do analytics help to grow? Yes, they guide content decisions, impressions. It means for how many times content is shown. For example, are impressions higher than yesterday? Yes. Trending. It means popular at the moment. For example, is this topic trending now? Yes, many creators are posting it. Description. It means video details in text. For example, why is description important? It helps videos get discovered. SEO. It means search engine optimization. For example, why do creators use SEO? It brings organic views. Playlist. It means group of videos. For example, do playlists help views? Yes, they increase watch time. Community post. It means non-video post. For example, how do community posts help? They keep audience connected. Niche. It means specific topic area. For example, why focus on one niche? It attracts the right audience. Organic reach. It means free reach. For example, how do you get organic reach? By following platform rules. Call to action. It means request to act. For example, what CTA do you use? I ask viewers to subscribe. Creator economy. It means income from content creation. For example, what supports creator economy? Platforms and brands. Long-term growth. It means sustainable success. For example, what ensures long-term growth? Patience and consistency. Automation. It means scheduled process. For example, what can be automated? Uploads and post. Subtitle. It means text of spoken words. For example, why add subtitles? Many viewers watch without sound. Replay. It means watch again. For example, why did people replay your video? The explanation was useful. Pause. It means stop temporarily. For example, why did viewers pause the video? They want to understand the words,